Edalex, we focus on connecting learning skills and evidence. And we have a number of different platforms that you see here that range from an open source digital repository to store the learning and training materials for education, as well as OpenRSD, which has now become the world's largest open library of rich skill descriptors, which are atomic level definitions of skills. And again, we've talked about skills throughout this session, but what is so important in this is around defining a common language for everyone. So when we talk about a communication skill, the ability to communicate sounds simple, but actually context is really important. So is that in a workforce, in a workplace, or is it in a medical setting, right? Bedside manner it could literally be a life or death impact. Or is it in a retail setting or some other context? So having that, which is both human readable and machine readable. And then we also have Credentialate, which discovers and shares evidence of skills from learning. And I'll talk about that briefly. And also Skills Aware, which is our newest platform that is an AI-powered skills recognition. What is so important, again, coming back to that topic around giving learners a voice for their skills. And how do we empower people to talk, again, as you so eloquently shared, Quentin, not only for the technical skills, but also those human skills, those durable soft skills. So what Credentialate does is it surfaces that data based on how an individual learner has performed. And so that in these examples, Lucy and Samantha, and this is, not expecting anyone to see the small detail on here, but that they're both different individuals. They have different skills, they have different strengths, they have different development areas. And so with Credentialate, we're able to provide quantitative feedback, so the numbers, the scores. But what's so much more important is actually sharing the qualitative feedback so that we can say, Lucy is fantastic at conflict resolution, or that Samantha is really she has strong ability to work within a team, and also potentially to share artifacts, evidence from their learning.